Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you have not done so, please click on the notification button and the subscription button. Thank you very much. Today we are going to do a quick one on how to use a Vitruvian bone. What's the use of this Vitruvian bone? This Vitruvian bone, they are used for switching from one key position to another like this. From this position, from what you are seeing from your screen, I want this left hand to have also the position which the right hand had. Instead of creating switch layer and cannot be animated from different bone, I'm going to use Vitruvian bone. How will I do that? First thing I have to do, I duplicated this right arm which is at this side of the screen. From your screen you can see it. I duplicated this right hand which I already tagged from the right side of your screen. You will see left hand 2, which is this one. Let me hide it for you to see. Okay, this is it. I duplicated it from there, from what I just did. Why the initial hand is this is the initial hand. I want it to switch from, I want the key post to switch from this to this. Okay, I want it to switch from this, which means I want it to switch from this position to this position. So how will I achieve it? This is what I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. The first thing we have to do right now is to hide this first one. We'll hide this first one. Mind you, there's no bone attached. There's no bone attached to this layer. So what we are going to do, the first step to do is to add the bone to it. Go to our bone menu. We'll add our bone to it. First thing you do, you click on this bone to make it as a parental bone to the other part of the bone. Then you add your bone to it. Click your bone. That's one, and that's the second one. The next to do will reduce the strength of the bone to 0. Reduce the strength of the bone to 0 so that it will not affect the other part of this layer. So that's what we just did. We reduce the bone to 0. Then we bind them. We select it, bind it. We click on this other layer, the lower arm layer. We select and we bind. From your screen now, you can see that it's attached to it. But how can we switch from that key post to the other key post? So this is what we are going to do here. Since we are making it a Vitruvian bone, this is what we are going to do. We'll click on this layer, this bone layer. We'll click on it. Come to your left side of your screen. You see Vitruvian bones there. You see Vitruvian bones. You click on these 2 bones. The first 2 bones, you click on it. You'll see at the left side of your screen, you see group. So let's try to see if it's going to activate. You click group. You see something just happened. It just disappeared. So let's go back to this. Let's go back to this key point. Okay, one bone is actually activated. From your left side of your screen, you see group 1.0. Let's target left hand post. That's what we are going to target, left hand post. So from there, say we have active bone. If you want to ungroup it, you can ungroup it from here. But we have active bone, B11 and B13. So let's click on B13 if it's going to change. B13. You can see from your screen, it actually changed. Let's click on B11 back, which is bone 11. You can see from one key post to another. Thank you very, very much. If you find these tips useful, please click on the subscription button, like and share and comment. If you have any question on how to animate such character like this, please do so. Follow me for more tips. Follow me for more tutorial on how to use Moho professionally. Thank you. See you next time.